and I'm here to tell you about our technology partnership with RoEq. As you may have seen in the past, we've been partnered up with RoEq for about 2 years now. We started with our smallest platform, the LD60 and 90, to do a cart transportation solution, and now here we're launching at Modex 2024 the MD650 with the RoEq lift top for the US pallet lift. It's been a great partnership so far. They're one of the only companies in the world that I'm familiar with that is productizing the top modules for these robots. Typically we're working with system integrators around the world, creating one-off solutions, and it's a long project cycle for our customers. So with RoEq combined with Omron, we allow less work on the system integrator side so they can focus on the customer project and work through the project execution much faster for the end user, especially in a manufacturing production logistics scenario where we're not dealing with hundreds of robots, we're dealing with tens and 20s of robots in unique situations in and around people that tend to have a lot of focus on the integration aspects. With a standard topper and a standard robot platform, we get the customer or the system integrator to focus on the software integration, providing the most value as fast as possible for the end user. One of the key aspects that Omron brings with RoEq is a completely safe system around people. So as I was mentioning prior, we're working on production logistics and manufacturing facilities all over the world, and we're working with people and around people, including fork trucks and carts and any other things moving around the factory. So it's extremely important that these are safe to be around people. If you'll notice here in the booth, we don't have any guardrails up. If you walk around the show here at Modex, you'll notice a lot of the other vendors have guardrails up and are protecting the robots from people. While they may be safe, we like to think Omron combined with RoEq is the safest in the industry, following all of the modern safety standards you might be hearing about. ISO 3691-4, and then a popular one in the US, ANSI R1508 are really the standards that we're focused on. And if you look into those, you'll see that they now have safety specifications for the robot itself and also the topper system. So it's really important to work with partners and vendors that are considering this to implement these robots safely around your workforce.